Hey all, welcome back to another video. I got some new products for me to try today. I have a box from Varnail, and as you see, varnail.com. So they have sent me a box and I'm excited. I've just peeked in it, so I haven't actually looked at everything that's in here. And here you can see, like, you get it, like, see it like this. So I popped it open, but yeah, I don't know exactly what's in here actually. So thank you for shopping with us. Pretty things inside. And here you have their social medias. And I also do have a code, which is CAMMI30. It will save you 25% of your order at varnail.com. I will leave the direct link and my code in the description box, and try to remember to pin it in my comments too. Okay, so it comes like this. So you see it has a super cute pink thank you for your order. I love this pink plastic bubble, pink heart bubble plastic. Gosh, I cannot talk. Thank you for your order again. This is so cute. What is this? I don't even know. I have not looked. Oh, it's a magnet. Nice. Is this the magnet that is pushing? I mean, okay, let's put that there, and let's just take this box to the side. Okay, it's just easier that way. And we also do have a brush, which is really nice. It looks like a gel brush, and with a lid. I absolutely love that it comes with a lid. I cannot stand all these, you know, gel brushes without a lid. I think it's so inconvenient. Look at this, how beautiful it is. It's like a matte white with Varnail nail brush oval in gold. That's so pretty. The R is like a little leaf. That is so pretty. I like it. Oh, this feels so soft. And look how long it is. I really, really like that it has some length on it. So, you know, you can really get in there. If it is to apply color or build, you know, build the gel. Make sure I'm not, oh, they have some, can you see that in the lid? There is some stoppers there. Do you see that around in that lid? I felt it straight away. Oh my word, this is sitting so tight. Oh wow. Yeah, it has some stoppers, so you feel it already there. That's awesome. I love that. Beautiful brush, absolutely amazing, perfect. Okay, we have a stamping plate. Let's see. I love the packaging too. It's so pretty, very pretty packaging. So this is a Christmas plate. It says OMQ02. It is winter is here. It has like Santa hat, it has reindeer, like Christmas bulbs, snowflakes, bells, and all you kind of need for Christmas, right? For Christmas money. You can, I'm trying to show you, I don't think I'm showing you it good, am I? That is so cute. I love it. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Merry Christmas. Winter is here. Yeah, I like it. It's so cute. Then we're over to the last and biggest box in here. Let's open it. Let me get a scissor and get the plastic. You see it is sealed. Another thing I love. That is brilliant. I don't want to mess it up, so let me just, you know, get it opened correctly. Look at this packaging, how beautiful that is. It has a matte finish. It has like a white and pink ombre. It is so pretty, guys. I absolutely love this packaging. It is so beautiful. Oh, look at these. Varnail, show your nails, shine your life. Professional nail gel polish, 8 gram, 12 parts. Ooh, look at these guys. Oh my gosh. Hadn't even read on the box. I have such an I had to wait, you know, to open it with you guys to see like What is it? So, oh, that's cool. So we do have a base coat in, oh my god, look at these pots. Are you kidding me? Yeah, beautiful. They are plastic, but they are like solid. You can feel the weight on them. I love it. Look at this. Varnail UV LED gel, shine your life. I love that. That is so, it's like the packaging is just absolutely gorgeous. That is such a cool box, you know, like a little bit of everything. I love that. That's so cool. So we are definitely gonna swatch these today. So I'm gonna get all of this out of the box and then we will start to swatch. Okay, so I'll be right back when I get everything out and open because they are all sealed. So okay, I have opened all of them. You can't even see it because of the light. So I have the lids loose. So let's do some swatching first. The stamping polishes we are gonna test out. So we got the, let me just get this off. Got the black, and we have silver. Those are like must-haves in, look at that, silver in stamping polishes. And this cream pink, oh, it is so beautiful. Look at this color. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Just such a gorgeous pink. And then we have the white. So we're gonna try those afterwards on the stamping plate, but first we will swatch these. So I got some clear, and I also have, I should have taken the same, but yeah, some clear, and I also have some black swatch sticks. So let's start off with the base, and as you can see, it is a very thin consistency. Can you see that? It is like, yeah, watery, I would say. But let's try that one out first. But oh yeah, it applies really nice. It does. It applies. Oh, this brush is good. I like this brush a lot. I do like this brush a lot, guys. It's a really nice brush. Super nice brush. Oh, it's so soft and so good. Look how neat that laid down, even on a shiny surface. I should have buffed it, but I didn't. So yeah, let's cure that one. It says 30 to 60 seconds in LED and 60 to 90 in UV. Just clean off the base coat of the brush, and then we are going, that is the glossy, we're going to take that at the end. So here is the cat eye gel, the rainbow. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, it is beautiful. I think I'm gonna have to speed up this swatching part, because if not, the video will be really long, you know. Okay, let's try the stamping gel. We're gonna do a couple of, we're gonna try the pink and silver, cream pink. It is such a pretty color. So let's see. I mean, I'm not used to the stamping with gel, stamping gel. So we're gonna try and see. And this image with this, you know, so you see this house and the tree. So let's try that one and see. I think what we have to do is scrape, you know, really good, or we will get the gel that is, you know, on the plate where around the image, if you know what I mean. So let's try. Let's see if we can get it scraped good enough. And just, you know, you see this which is laying. Can you see that on the plate? I'm just afraid I will get that. Not afraid, but no, look, it's perfect. I know this stamper is a bit yeah, so this, you know, it's gel instead of polish, so it is a bit different. But with stamping gel, you just have to, you know, scrape, okay, really good, so you get the gel off where you don't, you know, get the gel off the you know, around the image, so you don't have the gel laying there, because then it will be like colored. Yeah, you will have that. You see, that was so crisp and so nice. Look at that. If you don't scrape hard and good, don't scrape inside of the image, of course, but around, like over, you will have like gel laying, you know, we'll get some kind of like a pink background on it, if you know what I mean. So I am gonna get the silver ready, and we're gonna try with this silver one too. Do the same image. And here is some pink. Let me get that off. Okay, scrape like flat, but very, you know, very good to get the excess gel off the plate around the image. Look at that, it is perfect. Okay, there we go. You see, it is working. It is working. Okay, let's put it under. Oops, a little bit crooked, but look at that. It works brilliant. Can you see that? It's working brilliant. Amazing. It's working really good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I really am. So you see, you can of course use these as a gel polish. You see, I barely had anything on the brush. Look at that. You can for sure use these as a gel polish too. Okay, so here is the finished swatches. Here is the rainbow cat-eye gel in clear, and we have it here in black. It is gorgeous. Then we have the mirror metallic gel in silver. These are all top coated, as you saw. And next up is the pearl shell texture gel. I got, as you saw, I added 2 coats. That is over clear, and here is over a black. Then it is the laser kaleidoscope gel. That is this one. I just have 1 coat. It's a beautiful holographic glitter. And the opal reflective gel is this one, and it has some flakies in it. We're gonna turn on the flash in a bit. And then the glitter platinum gel at the end. This is a thick, good one. This is 1 coat. It's super pigmented. So let me turn off some lights. It's daytime, so, but let's get the flash on. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at this one too. Got reflective. This laser kaleidoscope one got reflective. Oh, that's so cool. Look at this one. in this with the flash on. So cool. But this one is the reflective one. I cannot, okay, don't have a ring on them. Look at this, how freaking gorgeous. Oh, it's silver, but it has all these colors. It has flakies in here. It is so, look how reflective it is. So amazing. Oh my gosh. But several of these are beautiful with the flash on, you know. And these stamping gels are really good. I like them a lot. Seriously, I really do. So I'm gonna have to start doing more stamping with gel. Look at that. It is perfect print. Even that tiny small details on the house. Can you see that? It's not easy there. Yeah, I like them. So that is a silver. Is really nice silver. Look at that. Really cool. So thank you so much to Varnail for sending me these. I love it. Yeah, I think they're really cool. Like a goodie box with all kind of different goodies in. So yeah, remember my code CAMMI30 to save yourself 25% off your order. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.